7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at Zcash. Zcash have been having a little nice pump right here. Zcash, one of my favorite crypto. I'm talking about why Zcash is pumping, the price predictions for Zcash, what are we intending for Zcash to do in this all season, and at which price point will I really believe the Zcash pump is real. We'll be taking a look at the Zcash USD price chart, the Zcash Bitcoin price chart. There's some important information right there. We're also taking a look at the Zcash Ethereum price chart. Also, the Zcash market cap price chart will be comparing to Zcash versus Bitcoin. We'll also be comparing the Zcash market cap price chart to the Bitcoin market cap price chart. Let's see if there's any similarities right there and where we're expecting the market cap of Zcash to be in the nearest future. We'll also be taking a look at the Zcash dominance right here. We'll be using that to formulate our exit plan to see when Zcash has actually told us whether it's time to take profit or not, and I'll be showing you this ascending triangle I'm seeing right here in Zcash that is giving me so much hope for Zcash. But first, guys, before we go into the chart, let's talk about Zcash. Zcash is ranked number 52 on CoinMarketCap based on market capitalization. Is ranked number 52. Bitcoin is number 1 and Ethereum is number 2. The market cap of Zcash at the point of recording of this video is 1.9 billion US dollars. The fully diluted market cap is 2.998 billion US dollars. It has a 24 hours trading volume of 731 million US dollars. Now, Zcash has a circulating supply of just 13.9 million coins. It has a maximum supply, just like Bitcoin, of only 21 million coins. Zcash is currently trading for $142, but it has gotten as high as $370 in the one last year. And guys, Zcash is on a lot of these major exchanges. It's on Coinbase, it's on Binance.us, it's on Binance, KuCoin, Hubo Global, Gate.io, Cochrane, Bitfinex, Gemini. Is basically on all your major exchanges where you get all your crypto, and that's one reason, guys, why I believe Zcash will pump. Zcash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the Zcash Snack zero knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on networks to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. And guys, the whole narrative right now is that privacy coins looks like they will start pumping right now because the US wants to release a federal executive order, and many people are suspecting it will have to involve giving up your privacy. You know, your government don't want you to hold most of these cryptos because they want to know what you're doing with your money. And guys, let's take a look at the price chart right here. You can see Zcash had a little nice pump right here. In the last 2-3 days, Zcash has pumped 38%. It might look small in the grand scheme of things, but guys, guess what? We're actually at the levels where we were in the 15th of January 2022. So we're grinding up slowly, but surely we'll get there. The highest point we've gotten in 2022 is almost at that point in time, that $170 mark. That will be the next price point for Zcash to actually pass. And the place we got when Bitcoin touched its all-time high in 69,000, Zcash actually got to as high as almost $300. It got to $301 on some exchanges. In 2021, the highest price Zcash actually saw was over $359. Now, I put this trend line right here, guys. It looks like Zcash has been following this trend line for a very long time. It has hit this trend line 3 times. The first time it hit it was in 2018 at the end of the old season, and Zcash got as high as $967. It tried to break through that place too in mid 2021. We couldn't go through there. We tried the 3rd time, and I'm expecting us at the 4th attempt for us to break through it. So if Zcash, guys, can clear above $267, it looks like it's just clear sky from there. You can see there's no any resistance. We'll just literally start going to the moon. Guys, if Zcash can clear $270, we actually have clear skies from there. Zcash to the moon. Now, Zcash on Bitcoin price chart, Zcash against Bitcoin, you can see right here, Zcash has actually gained against Bitcoin the last 3 days. It gained over 30%, but right now, at the point of recording, it's up 23% against Bitcoin in the last 3 days, and that's what usually happens during all season. A lot of these altcoins will start outperforming Bitcoin. You can see right here, Zcash is at a critical resistance point. If you can pass this point, the next place we're going for is where Zcash was at 24th November 2021, and that was where Zcash was over $300. So if you can pass resistance where we are on the Zcash Bitcoin price chart, the next place that will be hard for us to pass, or the next resistance, will be the points where we are when Bitcoin topped at 69,000. And that's progress, guys, because if you zoom out really well on the Zcash Bitcoin price chart. You can see right here that we are way down. Even the nice pump we had today, it's just very small in the grand scheme of things. We still have open air, we still have a lot of space for Zcash to run for us to get higher prices, and I'll actually be expecting Zcash to go over $1,000, because you can see on the dollar pairing right now, Zcash can actually pump over 1,600%, and we'll just actually get to where we were on the 29th of January 2018. On the dollar pairing, guys, you can see if we use the Fibonacci extension, so this is one of my favorite tools. We'll go to top of the previous bull run for Zcash, the bottom of the bear market. It's showing us that for Zcash to reach its full Fibonacci extension, Zcash can actually get to $3,900 per coin. But for me, guys, for my stack of Zcash, I'll actually be taking profits when Zcash gets it to $1,000, when Zcash start getting to $1,500, and when it start getting above $2,000, that will be where I'll be looking to take profit during the all season for Zcash. You can see right here on the Zcash Bitcoin price chart, we still have room to run for Zcash against Bitcoin, and on the Ethereum price chart too, it's the same story with the Bitcoin price chart against Zcash. You can see right here that Zcash has actually gained on Ethereum the last 13 days. It has gained 39%, and we're expecting it to continue gaining against Ethereum the nearest future, guys. I've been saying it in all my previous videos. I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum are somewhat in the beginning of a bear market, so a lot of this capital in all these coins will be flowing towards a lot of these altcoins, and Zcash is one of those coins. You can see right now on the Ethereum pairing for Zcash, we have actually broken through all our major resistance. The last one that is remaining for us is where Bitcoin actually topped at 69,000, just like the Zcash Bitcoin price chart. If you can break that level, that means Zcash should be trading above $300. The road to $1,000 per Zcash coin is actually very clear. And if you actually zoom out very well on the Zcash Ethereum price chart, you can see right here that there's a lot of room to run. There was a point in time in December 2018 when the whole market was bottoming. Zcash was trading for 0.7 Zcash against an Ethereum. For Zcash to get to that point, that's actually at the bottom of the market. That's December 2018. Zcash has to pump over 1,100%, and Zcash is currently trading, guys, for over $140. For it to go that high, for Zcash to go that high over 1,100%, Zcash should be above $1,000. That's on the Ethereum pairing. You can see that on the Bitcoin pairing we have room to run. Guys, you can see right here on the dollar pairing of Zcash, with the dollar we have room to run. On the Zcash Bitcoin pairing we have room to run. On the Zcash Ethereum pairing we also have some room to run. And so I believe Zcash is one of those coins that will have magical returns in the all season, and the market cap of Zcash is telling us almost the same story right here. If we can check the market cap of Bitcoin for us to actually use Bitcoin as a gauge, let's see that, okay, what Bitcoin did, can Zcash actually do right that? Now this is the Bitcoin market cap price chart. Guys, you can see right here, Bitcoin market cap has showed us that Bitcoin has reached its full Fibonacci extension from the top of the previous bull run for Bitcoin to the bottom of the bear market for Bitcoin. It's showing us that Bitcoin actually hits its full Fibonacci extension. And guys, if Zcash is going to do the same thing that Bitcoin has done, for Zcash to actually hit its full Fibonacci extension, Zcash market capitalization should be above $11 billion. That's over a 500%, 600% increase from where we are right now, and that's one of the reasons why I'll be cashing out my Zcash when it gets above that $1,000 point. That's a very critical point for Zcash. Zcash couldn't pass it in 2018 to 2017 bull run. I'll be looking forward to take some profits off the table right there. And Zcash dominance, guys, Zcash dominance is not actually at an all-time high. You can see right here, Zcash dominance is at the lows. For Zcash to go where it was, or for it to have the market dominance it had in 2017, 2018, Zcash will have to gain a lot of the market share. For Zcash to gain that, Zcash has to gain over 400% up to 500% of the total market share, which is very possible. I believe this is the time for Zcash. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please follow me on all social media, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoy this content. See you in my next video. Bye.